makeup. Let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna use like a regular black eyeshadow powder for that. And then for the eyeshadow look today, we're gonna do like blue and green, okay? But let's get started on the brows. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, as of lately, I honestly kind of haven't been liking my makeup. I don't know. And I think it's because of the products I've been using. Some of them have been like the wrong shade and whatnot. So yeah, I really feel like that's why. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond. And I'm just gonna put this under my eye because, of course, I want it to be brighter. The eyebrows look good, don't they? All right, let's get into the eye look. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelid. I'm gonna use the P. Louise Rumor Base in the shade 3. Yeah, this is Rumor 3. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lids and then I'm just blowing that out per usual. And I'm just gonna set my eyes with my one size. I'm gonna use this Rick and Morty palette from Glamlight to do my blue and green look. I'm gonna start off with this green shade here. I'm gonna use this green shade here to put like in my crease. And then I'm gonna transition to this blue shade. And I'm gonna do kind of like a little halo eye type thing. And then I'm gonna put the green in the center of that. Okay? But y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. That's actually cute. Time for some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Tarte Double Take. First, I'm gonna use the liquid side, but I'm gonna do a hard, I was gonna say I'm gonna do a hard wing. I'm gonna do a half wing, okay? All right, y'all, I'm gonna just set that eyeliner with a little bit of black powder. Yeah, I took that black up a little bit too until like, I don't know, this right here, I don't know what to call it, but it's like where your eye socket is. It's a little pocket right there where your eyeball is sitting in that part. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much that for the eyes. I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I am gonna double prime today, but I'm gonna use this one first. All right, so let that sit for a little bit, okay? Just so it can, you know, become tacky and whatnot. All right, so like I said, I'm about to use the one size, and I'm just gonna put that like in my kind of like T-zone area. Now I'm gonna do some color correcting. I'm gonna use the Fenty Bright Fix in the shade Pumpkin, and then this NYX Above All Coverage, which is more skin tone, in the shade Nutmeg, okay? I'm gonna set that color correction with my Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Setting Powder. Just to, you know, give it a little extra. All right, so I'm gonna use these 3 concealers to highlight. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the shade Crumble. This is Toasted Almond, and this is the Mario Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin in the shade 420. And I'm just gonna build these. I don't know how to describe it, but y'all gonna see it. I'm gonna use Crumble first, and then I'm gonna use the Mario Surreal Skin, and then I'm gonna use Toasted Almond by Huda, okay? I'm gonna put the Crumble here, put the Mario Surreal Skin here, and then put the Crumble or Toasted Almond here. While I'm waiting on that to like dry down a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin in the shade 10, and I'm just gonna do my contour. Alright, so for a foundation, I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin. This is in the shade 21W. And of course, I'm just gonna apply that everywhere I didn't apply any other product. I'm gonna use this. I'm trying something new today because lately I haven't really been liking my makeup too much. And I think it's because of what's my name, so I probably shouldn't be trying anything new, but I'm gonna try this Sephora Micro Smooth to set like my makeup really quick to see how I made like that. Alright, so to set my contour, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the shade Mocha Mommy. So to set my highlight today, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder in the shade Gopi. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush, and I'm just gonna set my face. Y'all, this is the big boy, the jumbo, cause yeah. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the P. Louise Wrap It Up, and I'm gonna use this one. No, I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay, let's finish the eyes and then we'll do the lips and then we'll be done with the look. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and of course, y'all know what mascara do, so that's what I'm gonna do with my mascara. Oh, and I didn't tell y'all the name of these. So this is the Sephora gel liner in the shade Molasses, and this is the Makeup Forever Artistry pencil in the shade Limitless Red. Okay, for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this P. Louise lipstick. This is the shade A Whole Nude, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on. Oh, this the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Guava. Now I'm gonna gloss my liner to kind of darken that up because that's a little bit bright for my liking, but it's cute. But I'm gonna use Lava Cake, okay, to darken up the liner, to gloss the liner rather. Y'all, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna set everything with this one size until dawn. That's it for the look. I hope y'all enjoyed playing their makeup today. I feel like this turned out a real cute, like, and that highlight is just hitting. Like, you can't deny it. Like, y'all see it. For real. I hope y'all did enjoy this video. If you did, leave a comment. Leave, you know, maybe like a cute little green or blue heart in the comments. Love y'all, love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.